morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. I am filming a little weekend vlog today, and I'm really excited that it's the weekend. On the weekends, I allow myself to unplug and relax. I always still do a little bit of work, especially in quarantine when there's really not that much to do outside and I'm not trying to be out and about all day long. So I will still do some work on the weekend, but for the most part, I am allowing myself to relax. I'm not like, I haven't checked my email today, so. I just finished cleaning my room. I'm debating doing like a quick yoga flow, or if I just want to relax and have some coffee and not do yoga. I have been slacking on working out this week. I worked out three times this week, which normally I work out like 5 times a week. So 3 times is a little off for me. So that's why I'm like, should I do something? So I might do like a Melissa Wood health video, you know, because I really like her videos a lot. I wish I could do it in my room. If I positioned my room in a different way, I 100% would have space to do yoga here. But because my bed is like in the middle of the room, there's only a little bit of room there, a little bit of room on the other side, and then like a little bit of room on the foot of my bed. So I don't have like a wide open space in my bedroom, but my living room is huge for New York. So I have space there. I love how I say it's huge. Like normal standards, it's not huge, but for New York City, I'm like, oh my god, I can fit a couch. And a big couch. But anyways, no, I'm very happy with my apartment. I figured I could also give you guys an apartment update. We are staying here, we signed a 1-year lease, and we also negotiated our rent. So we are paying a lot less. We're paying how much less? Almost $1,000 off. We got it off. So during Corona, you could definitely negotiate. But that's really nice. So anyways, yeah, I'm just watching Jen Im. How do you say it? Jen Im? Is that how you say your last name? Jen Im. And I've actually never seen her videos before. She's a huge YouTuber. I've heard of her and I know who she is, but I've never actually sat down and watched her vlog. And I must say, I really do like it. I like her vibe. I like her, I like the vlog, I really like it. She was cleaning in her vlog today, so I decided to do that little cleaning montage in mine, because I was like, hey, my room needs to be cleaned. But yeah, I think I might do a yoga flow. I think it'll actually be nice. I'm already in workout clothes, you know? If you're debating working out today and you're like, should I work out? Just work out. Put this video in the background, put this vlog in the background, and just do like a few minutes. I'm now watching Brooke's vlog, and then I also just finished doing some work, so I will show you guys what I have been up to. I just updated my Patreon, so I created this blog post all about media kits, but basically I talked all about media kits, how to make a media kit, what you should include in a media kit, what you shouldn't include, and I showed you guys mine that I actually made this week. And then I also uploaded the other day an Ask Her Anything with my manager Taylor, and she answers questions about the brand or like the business side of influencer marketing. So like, what do brands look for, how to determine rates, negotiating, all of that good stuff. So if you guys want to check out my Patreon, you guys can totally check that out. I'll have it linked down below. Some good stuff on here though, and I really love the little community that we have built. But I just started watching Brooke's vlog. I am a few episodes deep on Outer Banks and decided to take a break. I actually really like that show, but right now I think I'm actually going to make myself some lunch because it's already almost 1 o'clock. So I am going to make myself, I don't have real food, so I'm going to make myself this chimichurri rice from Trader Joe's. You guys know this is my absolute favorite frozen food. And then I also have these like Thai chili burger patties, which are really good, and I love putting it with the rice. So we're just gonna cook this up and I'll save the rest for another meal, but I swear I can eat this whole entire bag. It's so good. So I'm just gonna do that. But today is another chill day. It's a really nice day out, but I'm just feeling so lazy. I don't even want to like walk outside. I just felt so lazy. So yeah, there's that. everyone. I just wanted to thank Squarespace for partnering with me on this vlog. Right now I'm actually on my website and checking out my analytics. So one of the best things about Squarespace is the analytics feature, in my opinion. And if you guys don't know what it is a website builder where you can build your own website. You don't need a code at all, and it builds the most beautiful websites. So honestly, I recommend it for any type of website. I've used a lot of different website builders before, and Squarespace is just the most customizable, and it really gets you exactly what you need. Their customer service is amazing. It's 24 hours, and right now I am diving deep into the analytics, and I find it very fascinating. It's a really great way for me to alter the way I market my agency and for me to see what works and what doesn't. Basically, if you are in need for a blog, portfolio, online shop, whatever you are creating, I highly recommend Squarespace. Everything is super integrated, and also it's just a very powerful website builder. So for example, right now I am looking at traffic sources, so I will show you guys. Here are the traffic sources, and it's really interesting because I get to see where you guys are coming from. These are just in the last month. So a lot of people are actually coming directly, just searching Barbu Agency or NatalieBarbu.com, but then also people are coming from social. So I get to see the YouTube videos that people come from, the LinkedIn posts, which we've been super active on LinkedIn. I get to see the Pinterest posts that people are coming from. All of this stuff is really interesting, and then there is obviously so much more, but this is just what I'm looking at right now. If you are in need of a new website, I highly recommend Squarespace, and you guys can get 10% off with my coupon code NatalieBarbu at checkout, or go to squarespace.com/NatalieBarbu.
So the city itself is a place of his presence.
Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday morning, and I thought it was really funny because yesterday I posted a picture with pink hair, and everyone, well, maybe not everyone, but like 90% of people believed that I actually dyed my hair pink. It is actually a wig. It is this baby right here. It's a really great wig though. It's from Bellamy Hair. I'll have it linked down below. And for my 24th birthday this year, which was in April, I was gonna have a wig party. So I was gonna have like everyone wear wigs, go out to a bar, and obviously that did not happen. So I put that on last night, and then took a picture in it, and like everyone thought it was real because I like wanted to trick people. And now I'm gonna film a little TikTok with it, and I should probably post on Instagram that it is not real. But my hair would literally get destroyed if I ever tried dyeing it that color. I think that's why wigs are so fun, because like you get the hair without the damage. And honestly, this wig was expensive for a wig. It was like 70 or 80 bucks. And then with shipping and tax, I think I paid like around $100 for a wig, which is like crazy. But if you actually got this done at a hair salon, it'd be like $400, $300, you know? So like it would be really expensive if you actually got it done. So now I can just have a wig for the day and then come back to my normal hair color when I want to. Show you guys how I'm gonna do a little TikTok with it, and then put the thumbnail with the pink hair, you know, gotta fool you guys too. I just have so much fun with that. Like I love doing things like that. And it was so funny. So many people texted Keon, and they were like, did Natalie really dye her hair? And like so many people texted me, and they're like, did you actually dye your hair? My sister FaceTimed me. I was like, I thought everyone would just like think it was a wig, but you got punked. Okay, anyways, this is my source of entertainment during quarantine, literally. Yeah, I'm about to do my makeup, film a TikTok, and hopefully go viral on there one day. What's up, guys? I think it looks really real. Maybe in person you can tell more that it's a wig because of this thing. I don't really know how to hide that. Like, let me show you guys on selfie view. So here's how it looks like if you're looking at me, but do you guys see that wig line? Like, I don't know how to conceal that, but like from far away and stuff, it definitely looks real. Or if I put a hat on, let me show you guys with like my bucket hat. It's super cute. Like, you can't see the wig line, so I feel like it could look kind of real like this, but I think it's so cute. I will have this exact wig linked down below. I just did a TikTok with it. I low-key like want to dye my hair pink now. Like, what the heck, this is so cute. And I kind of like this length too. Like, if I've cut my hair short before though, and I didn't like it, so I feel like it only looks good because this is a wig. Also, I feel like I look like the girl from Lazy Town. That's like all I can think of when I see this. It's like, I am Lazy Town. Like, whatever that girl's name was is me in this wig, you know? So let me know what else you guys think I look like. Have some more fun with this and then take it off, because I think it's time to take it off. I feel like I look like a knockoff Kylie, like Father Kells, but like a knockoff of Father Kells too, like three tiers below. back from brunch. We started a new show called The Americans, and now we are about to cook. Renee and I are gonna make brownies and pasta.
Wait.
Oh. Okay, so we've been living here for a year and we don't have a baking tray, which honestly, what are we doing?
We don't have wine glasses either.
We don't have wine glasses, we don't have a baking tray, and we do not have a big bowl. No, we have a pot.
Oh, we have a pot.
We have a pot. We don't have a bowl, so we use our pot as a bowl. So Renee's like, no, it's fine. We don't need a baking sheet.
We're Key from Outer Banks.
We are Key from Outer Banks. We also finished Outer Banks in 2 days. But so instead, she's like, I can just like make a wall with the foil on the like tray that we have. So this is. What is this? No, let me do it. You need a thicker amount.
Do we? I did,
Okay,
but I
let
don't
me
want to
try.
waste the foil.
Let me try.
You're gonna use 14 sheets. I know you are. And you're gonna be like,
Well,
it's fine.
That's what you have to do. The brownies are done. Yum. I guess this was a pretty good tray. I don't know why we thought we needed a deeper one, but they look so good. Hey everyone, so I am editing this video and I am so bad at closing off the vlog, so I'm just in my room looking real cute editing this video, and I really hope that you guys have been liking these like really casual vlogs. I just kind of want to document my life, and I like showing you guys different, I was gonna say different parts of New York, but like I really didn't show you anything about New York in this video, so I hope that you guys enjoy getting glimpses of it. I'd love to know what else you guys want to see. I have been on a roll filming, so this video is actually filmed like 2 weeks ago, so I've just been like really on a roll filming, and I have a ton of fun videos for you, and not just vlogs. So I have some finance videos, I have some touring New York City apartment videos, and I kind of want to make that a series, like kind of showing you each neighborhood, because I think that would be really cool. So let me know what your thoughts on that. But I do hope that you guys enjoyed this quick little vlog and that it was a fun one for you. Thank you guys for allowing me to share my life with you. I think it's just so much fun, and I honestly love it. Like, I think it's just really cool that you guys care, and it's really cool that I get to look back on these videos. So also, you guys are thinking about vlogging and you're like, I don't know, even if you don't like do it for yourself, you know, like do it for yourself to look back on, because I'm telling you, I love looking back on these memories. And even if you think quarantine is boring, I mean, I'm not doing much. I'm literally playing with my hair and making brownies. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys in my next one. I love you guys. Bye.